I met her in the lobby of some beautiful hotel where feet were movable. She seemed something unusual, no politics, just musical. Like, who is you, so viewable? She kept it 1, 2 zeros, like yes. Finally someone hit refresh. Boule, 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 boule. Are you model of the kingdoms that you toppled in your novel? After that, like Frida Kahlo, we connect like eyebrows. You look just like my style, like you living life how I've been living right now. Like Paloma, St. Picasso with her crib out in Morocco, pouring whiskey out a bottle, that's a party. Body like the Louvre, you got moves right out of Bali. Picture so surreal, party feel like it was Dolly. Baby, you a bad one, it just isn't fair. I'm always falling for the mad ones, but I'm never scared, cause there's something about you that's a little more rap, so it's a little more rap, so it's a little more.
Like a Warhol, or a Rothko, or a Monet, or a Van Gogh, or a Hebrew all up in here, or something out the weed. All I know is when you rollin' with me.
Girl, you're like the Mona Lisa, the Mona Lisa. I wonder if you know you work of art. Girl, you know I need you, my Mona Lisa. Every time you smile, I just fall apart. To me, you're just perfect. And go ahead and strike a pose. I just wanna know who made you so perfect. Baby, you already know you don't need another brush stroke. Okay. Picture perfect, baby, you in that dress. It's fitted to you like somebody drew on that dress. I hope I'm right about you, cause the mood done got set. And some more right about you if you cool with that press. Cause you a work of art, and I'm a piece of work. You Mona Lisa with a visa, baby, we could work. Walking down the street like graffiti, you get your basket on. Your pictures drawn on every wall that you waste your talents on. Fashion on, dragon tongue, oh you got them spicy fists. Oh you got them like me pissed. Oh you got me, oh you get me going. She swear she run the point, that mean that she the one. That mean that's one of one, and we go on our runs. But just like Saint Jerome, girl we remain undone. And what was Leah won? Okay, but I can show some art, then we gon' all like. Okay, I might have you up on the wall like.
Like a Warhol, or a Rothko, or a Monet, or a Van Gogh, or a Hebrew all up in here, or something out the weed. All I know is when you rollin' with me.
Girl, you're like the Mona Lisa, the Mona Lisa. I wonder if you know you work of art. Girl, you know I need you, my Mona Lisa. Every time you smile, I just fall apart. To me, you're just perfect. And go ahead and strike a pose. I just wanna know who made you.
Hey lovelies, my name is Nellie Robert and I'm a beauty influencer from London. Today, I'm gonna show you guys how to achieve a super sexy glam look. First thing first, we're gonna start with our eyebrows. You just brush through your brows using a spoolie brush. Next, we're just gonna grab a concealer and just line beneath our brows and above our brows and just blend that lovely good stuff all in. Using your blending brush, you're gonna dip into that turquoise blue and just apply it literally from the end to the beginning of your eyes. Once you've buffed that out and you've created a semi-smoky eye, you're gonna dip into a darker emerald green. Then blend that in with the turquoise, creating a rich blue-green tone. Now, onto lashes, my favorite part. Next, with your foundation, you're just gonna tap that onto the skin, blend it out, and pat it at the same time to make sure it really gets into your pores and it looks flawless. So with our concealer, we're now gonna go on to highlighting and contouring. First, I'm going to conceal all the areas I want to highlight and bring forward. Move on to your next step, which is contouring. Once you're done and you're happy with that, move on to baking, my favorite step. Next, you're going to move on to your lips. Ooh, glam. I lined my lips using a red lip liner, but you can use a purple or a brown, whatever suits you. Then I grabbed a super rich red lipstick and I filled that in. So now that you've baked for about 10 to 20 minutes, you're going to dust off that excess powder using any brush. So we're going to finish off our under eye. Now, using a rich golden highlighter, I highlighted all the areas on my face where I want to glow. Now you are slaying, girl. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to share with your friends because I'm sure they want to look glam as well. And give this video a couple likes.